Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about someone getting deactivated, whether or not it was from par use, what are my thoughts on it, and other similar things. We're going to go over the emails he sent me. He did send me stuff, and I'm only making this video. I'm not trying to start any like havoc or anything. I'm only making this video because I told you guys if someone sent me an email with them getting deactivated, I would at least review it and be fully transparent with you guys whether it's true or not, and that is up to you guys to make your own decision. In my personal opinion, I'm just going to throw it out there real quick. I don't think he got deactivated for par. I don't think so at all. Let's review over it. So, first of all, I just want to say I am super stoked on how the audience has, taken these comments and been very skeptical of people who are, because there's so many people who go in the comment section and say, I got deactivated for par, and then oh, well, send us a screenshot or do something like that, Never happens. But what I want to say is I like that people are skeptical and don't just jump to conclusions. And because originally there was this guy who said I got deactivated, and everyone's like, I'm deactivated, or I'm taking par down right now. And I'm just glad that my audience and people who watch my channel don't just jump to conclusions like that. Take a more conservative approach and actually just think about things before just, maybe this guy is full of shit. But, so, let's see. So, Nick, aka question mark on YouTube, commented, let's see, where's his comment? His initial comment said, Par got me deactivated, Tanner. Good luck to you all. Great app, but not worth being deactivated for. Kind of raising some alarms, Kind of raising some alarms. So, let's see. I'm just going to go back to this video and what was all the comments, basically. Here it is. Okay. Par got me deactivated, Tanner. Good luck to you all. Great app, but it's not worth being deactivated for. Comments under it say, no need to spread lies. I got deactivated, piece of shit. Then I said, send me your deactivation email to blah, 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 blah. Please, guys, stop sending me emails because I put that in a comment. You know what? I'm actually going to take it down now. I put my email in a comment, and holy shit, I got a lot of emails. Anyway, so he did send me his email. I got it right here. So apparently, just long story short, Nick gets deactivated, then he gets reactivated 2 days later, and then he gets deactivated again, apparently. So, the email says, hi, we regret to inform you that your, just so I'm not like Pete, it's right here. I'll just screenshot it and I'll put it up right here or something. Hi, we regret to inform you that your Doordasher account has been deactivated due to a report indicating that you violated, here's the very important sentence, indicating that you violated one or more of the referral terms published here. That goes into they then post the doordash.com/dasher/referral terms. Very important key sentence, because I sent this over to the guys at Par. I was like, hey, we might have a real deactivation here. They sent me back. They said, well, it looks like you got deactivated for referral fraud, which is actually kind of common. So if you guys don't know, you are not allowed to post your referral codes on the internet, because what happens to Doordash, they get a bunch of fake users, and once you have, you guys have no idea, but if I leave out discount codes from my shoe website for too long, man, I start getting people ordering them like crazy because they go up on all these websites. So whenever you leave links up to stuff, it's just asking for scams and stuff. So Doordash does not want their referral links posted into YouTube descriptions or on Facebook or on that kind of stuff. Now, that was my first thought, was hey, Nick, did you refer some people? Did you post this referral link somewhere? And he said, no, I've never done any of that kind of stuff. So my question is, why does it say referral terms, and why does it go straight to a referral terms thing, which means it's kind of either Doordash is just straight up screwing up, and we all have to at least sympathize for Nick because he did get deactivated. And if he has no idea, and hopefully he's being completely honest about the stuff, but it seems like he is, Hopefully he can get reactivated again, I guess. And then it just blah, 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 pursuant to Doordash public deactivation appeals policies, deactivations due to conduct that violated the terms of the ICA or deactivation policy may be appealed. If you not believe that you were violated Doordash terms, you can, or if you would like the basis of your deactivation to be reviewed, please fill out a form request here. Blah, blah, blah. The rest of the email basically is useless. So just my first thoughts is like, I know people got deactivated before. I'm pretty sure there was a YouTuber named, I think it's like Your Driver, Mike. I think that's his name. I don't watch the channel. I just know this from YouTube comments, but people told me like, hey, you should take out the referral links out of your descriptions because I used to have them in there. And it was basically pointless. I only got one referral out of like what? I got 100,000 plus views per month, and only one referral actually came through. I personally, just to get off topic, I think those referrals are such bullshit because you have to do so many damn deliveries, and it has to be someone in your local area. So like, they'll give you this like, I think right now it's $900 if you refer a dasher that makes 60, no, I think it's like 200 deliveries or something crazy like that. I don't know. It's different in every single area. Vegas was different than Reno. But out of all the referrals I got, because I got a lot of people that clicked on it, only one actually got through for that referral thing. So not to get too off topic, but I just think the referral things are such bullshit. They set those standards so high for people to actually achieve it, because DoorDash doesn't actually want to give out money. And you have to be in your own local area? What the hell? So if I'm in Reno and someone in Florida uses my referral link, I don't get credit for it? What the fuck? What's going on here, DoorDash? It's just such a scam. Anyways, I just, when you read the actual fine print and all this stuff, it's kind of like, bruh, come on, DoorDash. What's going on here? It's like clickbait. It's like the clickbait of like referral links. But anyways, back to Nick, aka question mark, on YouTube. Nick, why don't you put your name on, like, because, okay, first of all, guys, if you want to be taken seriously in my comment section, you gotta put a real name or something, you know? Someone with a real name is going to be taken a lot more seriously than someone who has a question mark for their name on YouTube. So guys, if you want to be taken seriously, because I go through hundreds of thousands of comments every single day, and if I just see like random like letters, I'm like, dude, I don't even like take your comment seriously, and if it's negative, I just fucking block you guys. So put a actual name if you guys want to be taken seriously on YouTube, because I know a lot of you guys like to comment down below. But anyway, so my opinion, because I've already kind of gone over it, I don't think Nick was deactivated for par. Especially coming after the day that we're talking about Ride Upstate literally calling DoorDash. I think, and this is just my business owner side opinion, like, if you're an independent contractor, you should be able to use every single tool you possibly can to get the job done as good as you can and as quickly and efficiently as you can. DoorDash is not coming after users of Para. They're going to go after Para, guys. Like, we've seen this before with, the rideshare guy was talking about this. There was an app called Maestro, maybe? Something with an M. And it was, like, helping Uber and Lyft drivers. Basically, I don't know what it was, because I don't do rideshare. But, basically, the Uber and Lyft apps didn't go after the drivers who were using it. They went after the app, and they just switched their algorithms around and all the code stuff that I absolutely have no idea how that stuff works in the first place. And I actually have not really too much of an idea how the Para stuff works either. But I did interview the founders, and whatever they said made sense to me, and I was like, oh, sure. So, but I'm also retarded when it comes to coding and stuff. So, long story short, enough rambling, but I don't think Nick got deactivated. I'm sorry, Nick. I don't think that you got deactivated due to Para use, because they would not say referral. It just wouldn't say referrals. And please, guys, unless you legitimately think that you got deactivated for Para use, which I don't think anyone has, just being completely honest, please don't send me all your deactivation emails and all this stuff. I'm not asking for spam, because I've been getting lots of DMs on Instagram lately, and I'm sorry, guys, I'm not going to respond to most of them. Almost all of them. Probably not going to respond to them. But if you guys want to, follow me on Instagram. It's at Tanner Markley. That's where I post all my stuff that is non-Doordash related. So if you guys are contacting me on Doordash or on Instagram about Doordash stuff, guys, I'm sorry, but Instagram is not the platform for it. I like to leave that platform to my extreme sports stuff, because that's what I like truly like. That's my passion, is like the extreme sports and fitness stuff. So leave it to that. Anyways, so if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys check out my footwear company at offaccessathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. We are about to hit 10K. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, should be like literally tomorrow or the next day that we hit 10K. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for those of you who support my channel, and hopefully you guys can gain some kind of knowledge and like tips and stuff from my channel, because my whole thing is I'm trying to put out as much free information that I can, and I'm never going to say that I'm always right. You should always look at other YouTubers and try to develop your own opinion, as like anyone should, whether it's like politics or whether it's money advice or any of that kind of stuff. Don't get your information from one source. Always go to other sources. If you're looking at like CNN or something, maybe you want to go check out Fox, and the answer probably lies somewhere in the middle or something, you know? So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, smash the like button. Sorry, Nick. I'm really, really sorry that you got deactivated, and hopefully you get reactivated again. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.